Ever been halfway through a camping trip, a backyard barbecue, or a long day at the sidelines, only to realize you're constantly getting up for drinks, struggling with an uncomfortable chair, or wishing you had somewhere to keep your essentials? It sounds like a small problem until you're dealing with it for hours. That's where the Coleman Portable Camping Chair with 4-can cooler comes in. And today we're finding out whether it's actually one of the best outdoor chairs you can buy for comfort and convenience. Coleman has been a trusted name in outdoor gear for decades, and this chair is clearly designed for campers, tailgaters, sports parents, patio loungers, and anyone who spends extended time outdoors. Instead of focusing on flashy features, it aims to solve a few very practical problems: staying comfortable, keeping your drink within reach, and reducing the need to get up and move around constantly. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the chair feels thoughtfully designed for real-world use. The overall look is classic Coleman: simple, functional, and built with outdoor durability in mind. The steel frame lends it a solid feel without being excessively heavy, and the fully cushioned seat and back immediately stand out. Unlike many folding chairs that feel stiff after 20 minutes, this one provides noticeable support for longer sitting sessions. Whether you're gathered around a campfire or spending an entire afternoon at a sporting event, that extra cushioning makes a real difference. The seating area is also surprisingly roomy. Larger adults won't feel squeezed into a narrow frame, and the sitting height feels natural when getting in and out of the chair. The adjustable armrests are another detail that sounds minor on paper, but improves comfort significantly. Being able to customize the arm position helps create a more relaxed seating experience, especially during longer periods of use. One of the biggest selling points here is the built-in 4-can cooler integrated into the armrest. In practice, it's incredibly convenient. Instead of placing a cooler several feet away and repeatedly standing up, you can keep cold drinks right beside you. For camping trips, tailgating events, fishing outings, or backyard gatherings, this feature ends up being more useful than many people expect. Combined with a mesh cup holder, you always have a drink within easy reach. The side pockets add another layer of practicality. They're perfect for holding a phone, keys, snacks, sunscreen, or other small items that usually end up getting misplaced. It helps keep your personal items organized without cluttering the ground around your chair. Small conveniences like this often have the biggest impact during everyday use. When it comes to setup and portability, the experience is refreshingly simple. The chair unfolds quickly and packs away just as easily. There's no complicated assembly, no loose parts, and no learning curve. Once you're finished using it, it folds down into the included carry bag for transport and storage. While it's not the lightest camping chair on the market, the added comfort and built-in features justify the extra weight for most users. As for drawbacks, there are a few worth mentioning. The built-in cooler is convenient, but it's designed for short-term drink storage rather than replacing a dedicated cooler. Also, ultralight backpackers looking to minimize every ounce of gear may find this chair heavier than minimalist alternatives. This chair prioritizes comfort and convenience over extreme portability. Compared to many similarly priced camping chairs, the Coleman stands out because it combines multiple useful features into one package. Competitors may offer a cup holder or a storage pocket, but fewer models include a built-in cooler, generous cushioning, adjustable armrests, and a sturdy steel frame at this price point. That combination gives it excellent value for casual outdoor users. Overall, the Coleman Portable Camping Chair with 4-can cooler delivers exactly what most outdoor enthusiasts want: comfort, convenience, and reliability. It's especially well suited for campers, tailgaters, sports events, backyard gatherings, and anyone tired of uncomfortable folding chairs. If you're looking for a chair that makes long outdoor sessions more enjoyable while keeping your essentials close by, this one deserves a serious look. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest gear reviews, and check out the link in the description to see the latest pricing and availability.